Class, everybody stand up. Angela, kindly lead the prayer. Good morning, class. How are you this morning? I'm fine too. You may now take your seats. Let me check your attendance. Who is absent for today? Very good. So for today's lesson, you will able to identify things as non-living things and living things. Classify objects as living things and non-living things. And value the existence of non-living things and living things.
Living things. Living things are all around us. We are living things. Animals are living things. Plants are living things too. What makes something a living thing? Living things eat, breathe, grow, and make more of itself. Can you think of an example of a living thing? Animals are living things. There are many different types of animals. They all look different, but they all have one thing in common. They are all living things. Humans are living things too, and so are plants. Plants are living things because they breathe, eat, grow, and make more of themselves. Plants need food and water to live. Plants make their food through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a special word for how plants get their food. Photosynthesis is the way plants make their own food. Plants use the light from the sun to give them energy to make their own food. Plants grow like all living things and are alive. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, or make more of themselves. Here are some examples of non-living things. Living things are all around us. We need to care for them and for each other. We can help all living things by caring for our environment. Our earth is full of living things that rely on it to breathe, to eat, to grow, and to be a safe place for their young. We can help by recycling, cleaning up, not littering, and showing respect for wildlife by giving them a place to live. Together, we can make the world a better place.
Class, did you enjoy the video? Very good. What have you seen on the video? Yes, Rachel? Very good. Class, is an animal a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good, class. Is an object a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good. An animal is an example of living things, while an object is an example of non-living things. Again, class, an animal and objects is what thing? Very good. So class, you will have an activity. You will group into two. Each group will identify what thing is it. There are pictures shown on screen and you will identify what thing is it. Number 1, class, what thing is it? Very good. How about this thing? Very good. So this thing? Very good. How about this thing? Very good. How about this? Very good. And lastly, how about this thing? Very good, class. So class, you have another activity. This time, you will group into 5. Each group will classify the following. Either it is living things or non-living things. Number 1, cat. Number 2, dog. Number 3, bird. Number 4, laptop. Number 5, pencil. And number 6, plastic bottle. Now, we will check if your answer is correct or wrong. Group 1 answers for the living things: dog, cat, and bird. And for the non-living things are laptop, pencil, and plastic bottle. Class, is the cat a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good. Class, is a dog living things or a non-living things? Very good. Class, is the bird a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good. How about a laptop? It is living things or a non-living things? Very good. Class, is the pencil living things or non-living things? Very good. Class, is a plastic bottle living things or non-living things? Very good. Nice, class. I am amazed of your participation. Class, I have a questions. What is living things? Yes, Rachel? Very good. How about the non-living things? Yes, Angela? Very good. So, class, give me an example of living things. Yes, Mark? Very good. How about the living things? Yes, Rachel? Very good. Class, is a robot able to move? Very good. Is a robot able to walk? Very good. So, is a robot a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good. A robot is a non-living thing. A robot classified as non-living thing, it is because although a robot has the ability to walk, to work, and to run, they do not have feelings. So, class, living things need food, water, light, and oxygen to survive. The examples of living things are the following: horse, flower, fish, and lion. For the non-living things that are not classified as living, the following examples of the non-living things are ball pen, jar, chair, and the motorcycle. Very good, class. You were able to identify and classify these things. Can you tell me again the difference between the two? Very good, class. Class, let's have on another activity. The class will be divided into two groups. They will classify if it is living things or non-living things. For the group 1, they will classify the tree, mushroom, frog, butterfly, cactus, mailbox, towel, pillow, newspaper, and bed if it is living things or non-living things. For the group 2, they will classify the following if it is non-living things or non-living things. They were tiger, corn, grapes, caterpillar, rabbit, bone, jacket, soap, shoe, and socks. Now, let's check if your answer are correct. For the group 1, they answer for the living things. They were the 3, mushroom, frog, butterfly, and cactus. And for their non-living things are the mailbox, the towel, pillow, newspaper, and bed. And they got the correct answers. For the group 2, for their non-living things are the following: bone, jacket, soap, shoe, and socks. And for their living things are the following: tiger, corn, grapes, caterpillar, and rabbit. And they got the correct answers. Very good, class. So I have here 3 picture things: a book, a fish, and a house. Class, does the book move, grow, and change? Very good. How about a fish? Very good. How about a house? Very good. Is a book a living thing or a non-living thing? Very good. Class, is a fish a non-living thing or a living thing? Very good. How about the house? It is living things or non-living things? Very good. So class, that it for today lessons. And for your assignment, draw at least 2 living things and non-living things that are important to us human. You will pass it tomorrow. Thank you and see you tomorrow, class.